Ooh. What's up, guys? It's me, obviously, and I'm gonna be baking, obviously. And I'm gonna make cake pops today, but instead of just like regular cake pops, I'm gonna make them into rainbow colors as much as I can. With these 4 colors that I have, hopefully I can mix them good enough that they're pretty. And I'm gonna use white chocolate for like the outside, that fly. And then they didn't have any cake pop like sticks, so we got these paper straws, rose gold and silver. Expensive to say the least, but. And yeah, I'm gonna use the yellow cake instead of chocolate because I don't want chocolate.
No!
I'm using the last of our eggs. Why did I do that? So I don't know if that's the right measurement of butter now, but I'm gonna go with it. This fly is literally flying around me. Oh, Robin's taking care of business over there. Last night there was a fly in my room. Oh, I didn't put water. Anyways, there was a fly in my room last night. And so, at 12, I was literally chasing a fly around my room to kill it. And it was like dark in my room and I only have one light bulb in my room, so you couldn't see anything. So I had to use a flashlight to find it. And then it landed on my mirror. And I got like my senior photos picture booklet thing. And I killed it with that. And I felt very empowered and I could sleep peacefully. Slapping. What?
Yeah.
Ew, you. Still chocolate. I have a question. Okay.
But
You know when you're catching a fish, do you have to hold down the button when you're catching it, or can you let go?
I don't know.
Because I've always held it down and I'm always afraid to like let go.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
But how the ball?
Yellow cake. You know, I don't know if that's even, but honestly it doesn't even matter because I'm gonna literally break up the cake. So now I'm gonna let that bake, and then I'll, like when it's almost done, oh wait, no, I have to wait for that. Never mind. When that's done and I had it all crumbled up with the frosting, I'll do the colors. So I took them out. They're right there. They're kind of crisp, but it's fine. I'm gonna cut these in half because they're way too long. So I'm just gonna do a few of each. I was reading how to make the cake pops because last time I made some with Matt, it didn't turn out good at all. But it says to like let the cake with the frosting that are already in balls cool, like get cold, for an hour. I don't know if I have that kind of patience. So instead of sticking them in the fridge, I think I'm gonna stick them in the freezer. Wow, dude, the one time the cake is perfect, I don't need it to be perfect. It literally just flopped out. That's the cleanest pan I've ever seen. I'm gonna look up how to melt chocolate and not burn it. It just says to melt it with shortening, which we don't have. So
We used to.
yeah, used to.
Oil.
Oil?
That's what we did.
Yeah, and look what happened. Okay, so some of them say to just put it in there and let it melt and just keep it really low so you don't burn it. So that's what I'm gonna do.
I have donuts.
No! Okay, so I have the cake right here. And I'm just gonna, you know, my sisters are getting a night snack, I don't know. Making ramen for me and my mom back there. The usual. Who? Oh, I was like, I make you happy. You're welcome, baby. I provide ramen and movie time. And love. And fist bumps.
Unconditional.
Mm-hmm.
I caught a piranha, but I think I
I'm a piranha. Did you just?
Yes.
So this is the only frosting we have, which doesn't really matter because you're not looking at the frosting. It's orange and this is white. Just a little break time making my mom ramen. Would you like ginger?
Yeah.
Anyways, so I'm gonna put this in here. Excuse me. I don't know how old this is. It smells bad, so. That gasp gave me life. I think I put too much frosting.
Why is it orange?
Crap.
You put it in the things, huh?
Yeah, it's basically frosting at the point. It's good. So I think I put too much frosting, but you know, it's fine.
I just caught a stone, and I don't appreciate it.
Dude, if this fails, I'm literally gonna cry, dude.
If it fails, I'm gonna eat them. Of anger.
Me too. Cause literally,
All the powder.
I'm going to cry right now. But I put way too much frosting.
Why did you do that?
I didn't know.
You didn't know what?
I didn't know how much I was putting. They're not supposed to be this sticky.
Who cares?
I do.
Try. You can't just give up.
Yes, I can.
Let me kick you in the crotch.
Yes. Come here. Oh, did you hear that?
You fart?
No. No, I cracked my neck. Dude, you know what sounds good?
Farts.
Spicy black bean.
Dude, I practically begged you for one earlier.
You did?
Yeah.
No. You can't low key me like that.
Yeah, I was like,
Yo, you know what sounds bomb? I was like, what? You told me. That wasn't you asking.
yeah.
No.
I was even like, we haven't even eaten today. So it's good. You know what's fire?
What?
Black bean burgers. And you were like, true. And I'm like, why am I starving ass sitting here asking for a burger this way?
These are stupid cake pops that I'm gonna put in the freezer, alright? Anyways, so I'm gonna just go cry while these freeze. I'm not gonna do the rest right now because
Those are cute sticks you got there. Did you cut them in half?
yeah.
I didn't really think of that. We're so stupid.
I know.
And they're even?
Yes,
You just
ma'am.
cut them with the scissors?
I was gonna do the big knife, but I couldn't find the big knife. But look how much frosting. Look at how it's frosting. Uh-huh.
I see rumbles. What you talking? Why is it so freezing? How many degrees did you drop it?
75.
You're the cheapest.
What?
Cause it was 77. I said drop it a degree. You don't know how to count.
Yeah, I know. I wanted my room to be cold when I went in there.
You know what? Nothing.
Are you serious?
I'm dead ass serious.
Now you had something to say. You shoot chicken and say it.
I was gonna say I'm gonna fart in your pillow. And the stupid ginger is massive.
I know.
Like, bitch, I just want to bite.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I forgot I have another game. It's called Sushi Time.
You told me.
Tired.
I'm literally, I don't know what is, I'm dying. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm very stressed at the moment, so I'm just gonna like hurry up.
You. Like giggling in bed.
Huh?
Don't take so much pride.
Okay. I still have to make different colors. Can you believe this?
No.
You know?
I'm gonna chat for you.
You should come help me.
Yeah.